Hello kids! Today I have got another fun story for you. So let's begin. Once upon a time in the big, green forest, there were two friends, Leo the lion and Zack the zebra. Leo was strong and had a loud roar, and Zack was speedy with black and white stripes. One day, the forest friends had a problem. They all wanted water from the same spot. Instead of fighting, Leo and Zack had an idea. They decided to take turns watching over the watering hole. Leo roared to call everyone, and Zack trotted around making sure all got a sip. The forest became happy again. Animals played together, and there was no more fighting. Leo and Zack's plan worked. The lion and zebra showed everyone that sharing and taking turns can make friends out of everyone, no matter how different. And so, in the friendly forest, Leo and Zack's story was a cheerful reminder that teamwork and kindness can make life in the wild a whole lot better. So, dear kids, what lesson did you learn from the story? Comment in below. And for more fun stories, press like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.